OnePlus A5010, and let me show you how to remove screen lock, how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So as you can see, this phone is locked. I am not able to enter it either via PIN code or by tapping with my finger here. So in that case, if you forgot your password, tap on power key and hold it for about 2 seconds, then select power off. Wait a while until it's shut down, and then one more time tap on power key with volume down key. So let's keep them all together for about 3 seconds, just until you see the OnePlus logo. Now you can wait a few seconds. And now tap on forgot your password. And here you have to confirm that you do not remember your password, because you will lose all your data once you perform a hard reset. So if you truly don't remember it and you have no idea what it can be, just tap on OK. You have to confirm it one more time, because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all your personal data. Just tap on OK. And now you just have to wait a while, maybe up to 1 minute, because your device has to wipe all data, all information that were in your phone's memory. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from the scratch, so you have to set up all the settings. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.